Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace that camera glass in your Motorola G5. As you can see on right here. So the camera glass cracked. Heat it up pretty well. Use the heat gun. So once you heat it up pretty well, you can use a knife or something sharp to get all the way around glass leftover pieces. They should come out pretty easily if you heat it up enough. Be careful, you can use gloves or something to remove the pieces of glass so you don't cut yourself. Take your time, don't be in a hurry, make sure the pieces of glass don't come inside of the camera because it'll be blurry then. And then clean all this adhesive all the way around. Make sure everything is clean before you install the new camera lens. Make sure you clean on the sides. There's sensors, as you can see right here, 2 right here and 2 on this side. So clean around, make sure everything is clean very well. And then get the new camera glass, as you can see on right here, bought online. It's pretty cheap. And then remove the adhesive from the back. Make sure everything is clean before you install. No more gloss. Don't press really hard because you can crack this glass again if there's little pieces left. There's one right here still left. Make sure. Here you go, just like new. As you can see right here, perfectly installed, really easy. Takes a couple of minutes to do it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, thumbs up, and subscribe on this channel for more videos. Thanks and goodbye.